Babae, kasama ang mga banu. Wait. I think we can, can...
I've never been here before.
Oh, really? Filingero, oh, filingero.
Yeah.
Chilling like a Pinoy. Hi! It's so peaceful here. Wait, may dog dito. Huwag ka magalit sa akin ha, binibidyo lang kita ha.
I waved to it and it ran away.
Oh, amazing. That's what, ayan po yung asawa ko. Sa tingin ko, ayaw niya akong makasamang maglakad-lakad. Yan, nagbababay na siya sa akin.
Maybe that's just the clouds.
I think it's raining over there. Over there.
Might be. It's a little blurrier over there.
Guys, pagpasensyahan nyo na, may Englishero akong kasama.
Yay.
Can't keep up. But I'm trying my best. Because, you know, that's life. Sometimes we encounter Englisherong tao. And you know, it's challenging. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that part. Look at that part. Yeah. It's just white, but it's pretty.
It's a beautiful shade of blue.
Yeah.
Is that blue, gray, or white?
Yellowish blue.
No, like I was talking about over there.
Oh my gosh! I'm looking at there. And then yeah, it's also pretty. Daddy! Huwag ka masyadong malayo! Grabe yung asawa ko. Siguro galit talaga siya sa akin kasi ayaw niya akong samahan. Tapos ang bilis-bilis siya maglakad, oh. Ayun siya, oh. Grabe. Parang hindi asawa. I can get him because maybe I'm annoying. Stand up there and then I'll take some photos of you there. Okay, I'm going to tell you if it's na. Okay. Turn it around. Wow. Okay. Asawa ko, pinagod niya ako sa pagsunod-sunod ko sa kanya. Grabe.
It's nice exercise.
Yeah. Maybe our feet will swell later. Oh, you're going to sleep well. Okay guys, sobrang layo na namin. Kasi sa lana nito. Ha? Anong tingin mo sa amin? Hindi napapagod? Ay, Kuya Miggy, you take a...
Every night in my dreams, I see you go on.
Grabe guys, sobrang ganda nun, no? Siyempre, bibidyo ko siya. Wait lang, pipicturean ko. I'm so weird. Am I weird? Dead corals. So pretty. Hi guys, gabi na. It's so dark na. But we have so much fun. Diba, Kuya Miggy?
Sure, yeah.
Bye! Bye, dagat! After the long trip. You want this? Ano? Bitin ka sa gala? Ha? Ha? Do you like where we go? Ano? Sa pinuntahan natin?